Welcome to Museo Cielo Abierto, okay? And this is the museum which can be found by the El Bosque Tallado in Piltriquitron, okay? And that is in the area of El Bolson, Rio Negro, Argentina on Tuesday, February 27, 2024. It's Howard Paul Shore. I wasn't expecting to see a museum. It's like an outdoor museum and it has lots of sculptures. So let me show you around, okay? I don't know this place at all. All I can do is walk around and show you what I can see. And I'll do my best. Okay, so that's actually the first one, even though I'm doing it in a different way. Hey there. Hi. So, you have esculturas, huh?
Yes, we have esculturas. We have 60.
60.
60
Oh.
esculturas.
Can you? Are you able to show them to me for my video, for my YouTube channel? You
Uh,
know them all.
I can't walk everything, but I can explain you the way. If you go from this way, from the right.
Just walk straight.
Yes, there is. I'll have the number. You
Numbers.
Need to follow the order of the numbers.
Okay.
And you're gonna go across the forest and come back to here. You have.
It's a path. It's a path.
Yes, it's the only path. You come from here and you're gonna go across the forest and come again to here.
So it's pretty simple. It's just a straight
Yes,
path.
it's a circle, and you have 20 minutes of walk in plano.
Mm-hmm.
And if you finish this, you can go outside the forest and you can see 5 more sculptures.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I didn't know I was coming to an outdoor museum here.
Yes, and if you see these placas on every of wait a second. If you see these placas in the sculpture like this one,
Mm-hmm.
you can see the person that made this,
The artist. Okay.
where he from, and then the name of the sculptor.
Okay. Your name is Toto.
Yes.
Okay. And so you are a guia.
No, I'm not a guía. I'm an refugiero.
Okay.
I have worked in the mountain from 4 years.
That's great. That's great. Well, a lot of people don't know about this place, especially people from the United States and Canada. Even Argentina, they don't know about this place, but they will after today.
This place is so beautiful. That's único.
Yeah, it's unique.
Not in the world, but yes, in Argentina.
So basically, it's an outdoor museum, and it's also part of El Bosque Tallado.
Bosque Tallado. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. So walk all the way around, and I should see most of the sculptures.
Yes.
And then after that, to go to the refugio, you have to go this way.
From this way, outside the fence, you go outside, and you're gonna walk 300 meters. 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
So it's pretty close.
Yes.
And then after what you get to the refugio, another 2 more hours to go to the top of the mountain, you think?
Yes, and you have an complete. You can see everything, like.
The view.
Yes.
Okay.
The view is so.
Okay. Perfect. Well, thank you so much for this information. Hopefully more people will come here after today, because today's pretty quiet.
Enjoy the path.
I will. Thank you. This was something totally unexpected. And the view is absolutely incredible. Anyway, I'll show you what I could show you. As I was saying, I don't know if I'm repeating anything because it's not very organized in an organized numerical order, okay? But I can do what I can do. Anyway, I think I've seen plenty of the sculptures. They're very nice, okay? It's hard to see everything, especially when you're by yourself and you don't speak the language and there's no one here to really help you. But anyway, if you're looking for a great place to visit, you definitely found one. There's beautiful sculptures here. I've seen probably half of them, okay? And it was definitely a surprise because I don't think they even mentioned this place on the map. It's a surprise museum, right? So thank you so much for watching my video and have a great day. Come visit. Bye-bye.